Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into something that's a must-have for your beauty bag if you're all about that glossy, luxurious finish. I'm talking about the Revlon Lipstick in 0114 Pinky Coral. This is one of those shades that promises to bring some sunshine to your lips while also taking care of them. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. So what exactly is this lipstick offering? Well, the first thing that stood out to me is its high shine formula, which is designed to reflect light and give your lips that perfect glossy finish. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, aloe, and even a touch of rose quartz, ingredients that promise not just beauty, but nourishment too. We all know hydration is key, especially when you're wearing lipstick all day. Now I want to talk about how this actually performed during daily wear. First off, the texture. This lipstick is creamy, smooth, and feels pretty comfortable on the lips. It's not heavy, which I love because I'm not a fan of that sticky, uncomfortable gloss feeling. But at the same time, it's got that super glossy, luscious finish that gives the lips a plumped up, almost editorial look. One thing I was curious about was the longevity. With a formula this hydrating and glossy, I wasn't expecting it to last all day, but I was pleasantly surprised. I found that it stays put for a good few hours, though you will need to reapply after eating or drinking, as the gloss does wear off a bit faster than matte formulas. It's hydrating, but it doesn't necessarily have the staying power of a more long-wear lipstick. In terms of color, Pinky Coral is a really pretty shade. It's like a pop of soft coral with just the right amount of pink, making it perfect for both daytime and evening looks. It's versatile, and I could see it working across different skin tones, giving a fresh, youthful look. On the pro side, it's definitely hydrating. If your lips are prone to dryness, this lipstick might be your new go-to, thanks to that infusion of aloe and hyaluronic acid. The finish is glossy without being overly sticky, and the color payoff is really vibrant for a glossy formula. Now let's talk cons. As I mentioned, this is not a long-wear lipstick, so if you're looking for something that will stay in place through an entire meal or a long day, you might be a bit disappointed. It's also not transfer-proof, so expect it to leave a bit of a mark on your coffee cup or glass. And while the hydration is great, the shine can start to wear off after a while, leaving you with just a hint of color. In terms of value for money, it's definitely a good buy if you're after a high-shine lipstick that's easy to apply, looks great, and feels comfortable. The price is on the affordable side, and you're getting a product that performs well for what it is. If you're thinking about alternatives, you could look into other glossy formulas like the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon for something with more staying power, or the NYX Butter Gloss for a similar glossy finish with a bit more durability. Overall, I think the Revlon Lipstick in 0114 Pinky Coral is great for those who love a glossy, hydrating finish without the commitment of a matte lipstick. It's perfect for those who want to add some color to their lips while keeping things soft and fresh. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.